Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 21 from the 2017 Math Kangaroo grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. A bar consists of 2 gray cubes and 1 white cube glued together as shown in the figure. And since I didn't have gray and white markers, I am using dark blue as the gray and light blue as the white here. So we have 2 dark blue, 1 light blue. We want to know which figure can be built from 9 such bars, and we have the 5 figures here. So we can go through each figure and try to figure out where the bars would be to make that figure and see if we can or not. So if we look at the first figure, well, we're looking for 2 dark blue and then a light blue cube. And we see that here. We have dark blue, light blue. So this could be a bar. That seems to make sense, and we could mark it as such. And then if we look at the next row, well, we have light blue, dark blue, dark blue. That's a bar backwards. If we look from this way, we have a bar. And so it could be a bar. And so here's that. And then here again, we have the same thing. It's again a bar backwards, which is still a bar. Then if we go to the top, well, we have light blue, dark blue, dark blue. That's a bar. It's the backwards one. And the same here at the top. So if we look at this side, well, these 5 squares are all part of the bars from here. All we have is these 4 squares left. We have no other squares that would be in those bars, but we could assume they're in bars going this way, this way, this way, and this way. Since that would make sense, that would fit the thing, and we don't know anything that would say we couldn't have that, so we can just assume that's possible. So we could say A now and be done, because we know that works, but we can also just double check to make sure that none of the others here, we have B, C, D, and E, and that none of the other ones also work, which would be a problem. So if we look at B here, well, if we look at this particular square, we don't know how to fit that into a bar. We see we have some places that could be bars here, like this top bar. There could be a bar at the bottom. There could be a bar going like this or like this. But if we look at this particular square, there's no bar that could include that. And we know all the little cubes need to be part of some bar, since the entire cube is made up of bars. So if we look at here, well, we can't have a bar going this way, since that's 2 light blues and a dark blue. We can't have a bar going this way, since that's 3 light blues, and we can't have a bar going this way, since that's light blue, dark blue, light blue. And so we can't fit in this square to any cube, so this one doesn't work. If we go to the next cube, then, well, we see again there could be some places to fit in some bars here, like here and here, or here, or here. But again, there would be some squares that we can't fit into a bar. For example, we see this square. If we go down, that's 3 light blues, and if we go this way, there's also 3 light blues. So we can't fit it into a bar either of those ways, and we can't fit it into a bar here either, because that's light blue, dark blue, light blue. We can't fit this cube into a bar, so this one can't work either. If we go to D, again, there could be potentially some bars here, like here, 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 but they wouldn't align with bars to fill up the whole thing. And if we look at this same corner square here, it would be dark blue, light blue this way, dark blue, light blue this way, or dark blue, light blue this way. And so none of those is a bar. There's no way we can make it be part of a bar, so this one doesn't work. E is slightly more complicated because we can't just find one square that can't be part of a bar. If we look at this square, for example, as part of this bar, and this square could be part of this bar or this bar, and this square could be part of this bar. But if we do make some of these decisions to have them be part of the bar, then some of the other cubes, we won't be able to find a bar for them because of the way the bars would intersect at the middle of the cube. So, for example, this square can't be part of this bar or this bar, because those are not bars. It would have to be part of a bar that goes like this. And this square here can't be in a bar this way or this way, so it'll have to be in a bar going in through the center of the cube and out to the other side. Those 2 cubes we can't see. We'll have to assume they're both dark blue, since that's the only option we have. And if we look at this square here, It also can't be in a bar this way or in a bar this way. Those aren't bars. So it would also have to be going in a bar through the middle. And that would mean that both these cubes are in different bars. They're clearly not in one bar together, but they both have to go through the middle cube. And so we can't have two bars pass through the same cubes, that wouldn't work. And so this one can't work. So since we've shown that B, C, D, and E can't work, and that A does work, the answer is A. Thank you.